Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to see how your projects are doing without paying for fancy reports? In this video, I'll show you how to track progress using only Asana's free plan features. First, the progress field is your best friend. In any project, you can add a custom field called Progress as a dropdown. Set options like Not Started, In Progress, Blocked, and Done. Update this field on key tasks to get a quick visual pulse. Next, use sections strategically. Create sections like To Do, Doing, and Done. Simply drag tasks through these columns. The number of tasks in Done shows your progress at a glance. For a numerical view, look at the project header. It shows the percentage of completed tasks. Just divide completed tasks by total tasks. The board view is perfect for this. You can see all tasks grouped by their progress stage, giving you an instant Kanban-style progress tracker. Also, use milestone tasks. Create a task, mark it with a tag or a special due date, and use it to represent a major project phase. Completing it is a clear progress marker, and that's it. With these simple, free methods, you can accurately track progress for any project in Asana. If you track progress this way, let me know which method you prefer in the comments. See you in the next one.